Do subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of new recipes. Hello and welcome to Shilpa's Cookbook. I am Shilpa and today we are going to make Bhel puri, a very famous chaat recipe. Let's start the recipe. Take any big mixing bowl or any big vessel and then add in half a cup of finely chopped onions. Next, add in 1/4 cup of finely chopped cucumbers and then add in 1/4 cup of finely chopped tomatoes. Next, I am going to add 1/4 cup of finely grated carrots and next add in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. Next, add in a tablespoon of sweet chutney or tamarind chutney. Next, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of green chutney and next add in the salt according to your taste. Next, I am going to add half a teaspoon of garam masala and then half a teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and next I am going to add 1/4 cup of fine nylon save and add in 2 tablespoons of masala peanuts. It's optional, or instead you can also use crushed papdis here. And then lastly I am going to squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Instead of lemon juice you can also use 2 tablespoons of finely chopped raw mango. It will give a nice and aromatic taste. Now mix everything well so that everything blends well. Now I am going to add in approximately 4 cups of plain puffed rice and mix it well. You can also use a tablespoon of coconut oil here, which gives a nice taste. Mix everything well that masala blends with the puffed rice nicely. When everything blends well nicely, take it out on a serving plate. Now I am going to add in some chopped raw onions on top, sprinkle it all over, and then here I have some chopped coriander leaves which I am going to sprinkle on top a little, and then I have here nylon save. I am going to add in a little nylon save on top. You can add it according to your preference, and then add in little masala peanuts on top, and it's ready to serve. Serve immediately. Do try the recipe and comment below how it turns out for you. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe and like and share the videos. Please check out my Kannada channel Manepaka for more exciting recipes in Kannada with English subtitles. I will be back here with yet another exciting recipe. Till then, take care and happy cooking.